Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for joining me in another clean with me video. In today's video I am deep cleaning and decluttering my daughter's room. As you can see, it desperately needs it, and I am giving her the bedroom of her dreams. I am giving her room a gamer girl makeover. She absolutely is in love with Minecraft, so I'm going to make it a little more girly and tons of Minecraft and just get her room done and over with. That way she can have her room and just be super happy with it, and maybe it'll inspire her to keep her room clean. If you are joining me for the first time, thank you so much. My name is Belle, and here on my channel I do tons of cleaning videos, organizing videos, cooking videos, and I would love for you guys to consider subscribing and join my YouTube family. But anyways, let's get started on her room. So the first thing I will be doing is just decluttering her room, moving all of the furniture out of the way so I could set up her new bed, and making sure to get this rug as clean as possible. As you can see, there was stuff all over it. Off camera and a little bit later on, like a few days later, I spot cleaned the rug so it looks so much better. And I just wanted to get her bed out of the way. I had it pushed up against her dresser just because I wanted to set up the bed here and just kind of move everything and just rearrange her room. But of course I wanted to make sure, like I said, to vacuum and to wash the hardwood and to get the walls clean before I did anything else. So here, me and Shiloh are going in with washcloths and a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and just trying to wash up this wall. Her bed is going to be going against this wall, and her old bed was also previously here, can't talk today, and it was moved to the middle of the room, but I wanted to put her new bed back against the wall. That way her room was opened up and just she had more space in the middle of her room. But like I said, there were little footprints all over the walls. There were scuffs that I tried to get off. I didn't end up actually getting them all off, so that's why I was kind of happy the bed was going against this wall, so there wasn't any black streaks showing. So here is Shiloh's room currently. The bed is halfway done. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with her old bed frame, but the drawers still need to be built. I have everything laid out for that, instructions. But yeah, almost done. So her bed is done. This is definitely going to be a multiple day thing just because this room needs a lot of cleaning. Her other bed frame is over here. I posted it on our local Buy Nothing group, and I want to wash all of her bedding. Sorry, it's so dark. Before I put it on her bed, because brand new bedding, I don't know, smells better clean. But anyway, let me show you her bed now that it is assembled, though this one drawer is driving me nuts. So here is her finished bed. This took me about 3 hours to assemble. There's Chew Up investigating. And as you can see, I can't get this drawer to go in. I have checked all the screws to make sure they were aligned. Everything looks good, but unfortunately the drawer just won't budge. A new bedding that I got for Shiloh. It's called Beautiful Day, and I found it at Target. She absolutely loves Minecraft, and I'm just thrilled that they had more of a girly version. Not that that really matters, because she loves it nonetheless, but just because it's summer, I thought it'd be nice. She loves the foxes, has ocelots, some wolves. And then here are the sheets. They have like all the little critters on them. Let's see. They have like pandas, the wolves, bunnies, so that's super soft. And then I got her 2 of these pillowcases. She has one on her bed already. Oh, my phone's ringing. This side is a panda, and then this side is a cat. order for me to put her new bed set on, I had to declutter all of the stuffed animals that she keeps on her bed. She has so many stuffed animals, and she truly loves every single one of them. So getting rid of them is not an option. But anyway, I am just switching the bedding over right now, and I'm so excited because I absolutely in love with the new bedding, to be honest. But they don't make it in adult sizes. I also play Minecraft with her sometimes, so that's fun. I don't know, I think it's just a really nice hobby that her and I share together, especially with the new update. They have tons of new little creatures, and it's just super fun. I remember being a teenager when Minecraft just came out. Me and my friends would just play it all day. I had a server, and it just brings back some kind of nostalgia for me. And I'm really happy that she shares the joy of Minecraft and just video games in general, because video games are something I truly love, and we just play them all the time together. What do you think, buddy? Do you like it, Shiloh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This blanket's soft.
Blanket's soft?
This one.
What do you think, Pharaoh?
Pharaoh likes this blanket.
Rubbing his face and everything. Here, I am just changing out her light bulb. One of them blew out and the other one got super dim. And she also does school in here sometimes. She does like art class and gym. So I wanted to make sure she had really good lighting. So of course, like I said, I went in and just changed the light bulbs. I put 70-watt LED lights in here, and it made her room so much brighter. I'm in love with these wall stickers. I found this pattern on Pinterest, and me and Jerry set it up and just decorated it and got like all the hearts up on this wall. It took a little bit of time, but the end results are absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait to share them with you.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
With the video coming to an end, I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched it all the way to this point. The wall transformation is almost complete. Jerry came in to help me to get it organized just because I couldn't really get them all straight. But one, Shiloh is absolutely in love with her room. She gave me a big hug and said thank you. And I'm just so happy that I was able to do this for her. If you guys want to see more room transformations, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me some comments down below. Bye!
Matters, stray around.